1 over 3 times 3, okay, by 3, 1, by 3, 1. That means 1 over 3 times 3 means is just 1, okay, it's just 1. Then here 3 divided by 1, which equals 3. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right, okay. Therefore, in this expression, there is one division and one multiplication. Therefore, according to this order of operation, first we have to do this division and next this multiplication, okay? If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. Therefore, first we have to do this division, okay? 3 divided by 1 over 3. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Therefore, we have to keep the first number 3, then we change this division into multiplication and flip the second number, okay? Then times 3. 3 times 3, which equals 9. Then times 3, okay? Then 9 times 3, which equals to 27. This is the final answer of this problem. The correct answer of this problem equals to 27.